What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Ghost XL. So right now I just decided to upgrade, and if everybody knows that my old camera is the Drift Ghost S. As you can see right here, this is my old one. For some of you that want to know the price for this camera, as you can see on screenshot here, on Amazon where I purchased it, it is £149.99. And if we go to the Drift website, you can also see that it is the same price as £149. Features on this cameras of 9 hours battery life, so that is fantastic for people that who wants to record for a long time. It's 3000 milliamp. It has a rotated lens and it has a waterproof USB cable and audio. And here are all the specifications for this camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to screenshot this for you guys and you guys can read it yourself. I'm not going to read all the specifications that's on this camera, so I do apologize if I sound lazy of me not reading this out to you, and also to show you that I do got the camera. Let's get into the video of me unboxing this camera, and then I will do another video of me just going out for a ride, see what the video quality is like at 1080p, and hopefully I don't decide to get a 4K camera, but to me there's no point of me getting a 4K camera. So anyway, end of me talking, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, the first thing you can see here is the camera itself. It's nice and neat in the box. That's the first greetings that you get. Okay. Let's put that to the side. See what else we get inside. So we have a quick guide. Probably won't have to read through this. It comes in all different language, I think. Chinese, and English, and some other language. And here we've got cables and some few mounts. So we have one curved one and one straight one. Let's just open it up. So I think this is a charger cable to charge up the camera, but I think it's also for data. I don't know about yet. And this one, don't know what this one is. I think this is like for audio. Well, obviously it's got audio jack. The curved mount to mount it on your helmet. This is also a connector for your microphone. This is actually, I think this is actually a waterproof one. What's this for? It's hard. I don't know what this one is, but I will have to take a look in the manual or something, because I don't know what that is. Another mount. I've got a screw. Don't know what that's for. And also a SD card pin to inject. Okay, that's new. So I'm gonna put everything back in, and then we can look at the camera. Right, everyone. As you can see, if I can get the camera to focus. Okay, focus. Only a little. Guess I have to go with that. So yes, we got power. It's going to be a little bit hard for you guys to see. I do apologize. So as of right now, I'm actually switching into different modes. This is actually a camera mode. If I can, I think this is a time lapse, burst mode, and settings. Now just to let you all know that I have not read the manual for this whatsoever. I'm just doing what some people do. They don't read the manual, they just jump straight in. Same things like when you play computer games, you don't actually read the manual unless that you try to figure out something and you don't know what that button is. But anyway, so this is settings mode. If I press it again, okay, back to video recording. So let's go to settings mode, and I think the top one is select. Nope, it's not select. I think the middle one is okay. So we have a different setting called dash cam in travel, event detection, video tag in travel, Wi-Fi, and that's Bluetooth mode, field of view. This one's about exposure, self time, bit rate. I do pronounce filter, I think ISO L, that's for sensitivity, microphone sensitivity, speaker volume, LED setting indicator, vibrate, I think that vibrates, vibrate detection,
Default setting, startup mode, camera off. Film blur, date, if you want to turn off the date snap, instant record, clone mode. I think that's when you can actually clone one of your videos, clone group, and video clips. I think that's about it really. Oh, and language, reset settings, format card. Oh, we can also actually tell you your serial number, firmware, it actually tells you what firmware, and that's about it really about this camera. I have to remember to blur out the serial code and that what I got for this camera, and I think that's about it really. I can't wait to test this camera out, and also as well I need to do a comparison to this camera from the Ghost S. So let me just quickly get that. Alright, you can actually see the side comparison to the camera. You can tell that the Drift Ghost S right here is big than the XL, so this is actually really, it's big. It's actually been reduced down to size a bit. You can tell that the screen is big than this one because it's just a little tiny screen. It is like going back to the old Drift style. If anybody had the old version, but I don't have the old version of this, so yeah. And if I, in fact, let me just put this on top. And let me see if I can move the camera a bit over and face down. Do apologize of the camera's legs. You can actually tell that is not the same size. If you look at the back, and you look at the lens, if you can look at the lens is different size, but both of them can still rotate. So what do I think of this camera? I don't know yet. I actually do not know what I think about this camera. The only way for me to find out if this is actually a good, decent camera is me going out on my motorcycle and find out. But tomorrow I'm getting my motorbike service and MOT. I'm supposed to get it MOT'd and serviced, but unfortunately with the whole COVID thing that is going on, yeah, I couldn't do anything about it. Let me just quickly open this, because I didn't open it for you guys, and so you guys can actually take a look. Whoops. See the comparisons, and obviously the battery is here. If I just open it, that's where the battery goes for the Drift Ghost S. Close that. But if you compare it to this, it looks a lot different. In fact, there's only one thing I just noticed. Where is the mic port? Is the mic... is it behind here? Oops. I just remembered about there is... did not see a mic. I think it's hidden behind here. So let's see. Okay. So yeah, the mic does go in here. Okay. In fact, let me get the mic header and plug it in. See if it does fit in there. So yeah, and the screw, and also as well the other screw that that I found, well, with the cables and that, it's just in case if you lose this, at least you got a spare one. So that's really cool. So yes, I am definitely can't wait to record tomorrow, and I can use my old camera as spare backup, but I'll find another job for this camera. I'm not gonna sell this like what I did with my Drift, not my Drift Ghost, my GoPro. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Out of the way, and here is my new camera. So Drift is in second place, the Drift Ghost S is in second place. In the first place it is the Drift Ghost XL. Welcome to the family. So anyway guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If not, put a thumbs down. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.